Stop using outdated methods. Try Shiken AI instead. This tool will change your teaching forever. Today, we're spotlighting Shiken AI, an all-in-one AI learning platform that's revolutionizing education. Imagine combining the powers of Notion, Quizlet, ChatGPT, and Duolingo into one. That's Shiken AI. With Shiken, you can take AI-powered notes, create active recall questions, and design entire courses. The AI coach breaks down complex topics, and role-play scenarios let students practice real-time conversations. Perfect for language learning or job interview prep. One standout feature: set a learning goal like an exam date and specify daily lessons or questions. Upload your materials and let the AI do the rest. Plus, daily motivational quotes and a mindfulness area keep students focused and positive. Sign up for free with premium tools at £99 per year. There's even a creator plan to monetize your expertise. Check out Shiken AI and elevate your teaching to the next level.